Good morning, boys. Today we'll start with the next exercise of real number with real number and their decimal expansion. We know that real number is the combination of rational and irrational number. Rational number, if we discuss about the decimal expansion of rational number, decimal expansion of rational number may be either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. Terminating decimal means the division after certain steps will come to an end. For example, in case of terminating decimal, if we take 27 upon 8, if we start dividing 27 by 8, we get 3, 8 3s are 24, and then 3 is left, decimal 0, 8 3s are 24, again 6, 8 7s are 56, and then 8 5s are 40. So it comes 3.375. So after certain steps, decimal, the remainder is coming 0, and the number of digits after decimal terminate. Terminate means ending. Terminating means ending. Similarly, it may be non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating means whenever we are dividing any number by its denominator, if a rational number is there, for example 28 upon 3, we divide 28 by 3, we get 9.3333. 3 9s are 27, 1 is left, 10, 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9. We'll see that remainder will start repeating. Remainder repeats. So when remainder repeats, digits after decimal will again repeat, and it will be written as 28 upon 3 equal to 9.3 bar. When only one digit is repeating, we are keeping 1 bar on one digit. There are so many examples in which after decimal 2 or more than 2 digits start repeating. For example, 5.27 bar means it is equal to 5.27, 27, 27 and 27. So whenever a decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating but repeating, then it will be a rational number. But there are some other numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, and their decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. For example, if we talk about square root of any number which is not a perfect square. For example, root 2, irrational number. Decimal expansion. Decimal expansion of irrational number root 2. If we want to write the square root of root 2, then the decimal expansion of root 2 will come 1.414, 1.4145 and so on. It is given in your book, you can see. Similarly, one more irrational number is pi equal to 3.14, and that is 141,592 and so on. So the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating, decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. They are irrational.